Good morning. Yeah. So each year we come in Cape Town to discuss the latest advances in ICT industry. If we look a little closer, it's clear that recent innovation are part of two major trends: the digital revolution and the energy revolution. Innovations in the latest technologies, such as 5G, cloud and AI, as well as more efficient use of energy sources like solar energy, will further boost the digital economy and productivity. This will allow humanity to move an intelligent world. First, let's talk about digitalization. Nearly 30 years ago, Nicholas Negroponte used the metaphor from atoms into bits for the digitalization. But nowadays, the digitalization begins a new phase. We can call from bits into atoms, atoms into bits, driving a new wave of digital physical convergence. This transforms the production process of all industries in the physical world for a greater productivity. Today, we will discuss how Africa can ride this new wave to leapfrog development in this digital economy era. Being digital, we believe that Africa's first priority must be to accelerate the development of connected infrastructure. That is because in the future, more people, things, and applications will connect together. There will be huge increase in data compared to today. So we need a more secure, reliable, and leading-edge network to act as a foundation for digitalization. We also believe it should have three key features. First, it should be more advanced. Africa can shift the linear development path and leap ahead. For example, when wireless technology first emerged, Africa used the latest technology to build a high-performance mobile network. We are proud of being part of this successful story and have driven it evolve into an ultra broadband network featuring 4G and 5G collaboration. Of course, for the future, we will continue to introduce the latest, most cutting-edge solution to Africa, just like our 5G advanced technology supports 10 gigabits per second downlink and 1 gigabits per second uplink, and enable scenarios like naked eye 3D and provide an immersive experience. Second, it should be more future-proof. It must support future application scenarios. For example, the high bandwidth, low latency, and wide connection of great performance on 5G have been widely used in the industry digitalization. In South Africa, we supported the launch of first 5G coal mine. In Nigeria, the first use of 5G 2B in the education sector supports AR and VR teaching possible. The smart home solution can deliver gigabit user experience and support applications like 4K and 8K cloud gaming and whole house intelligence. Third, it should be more inclusive and accessible. As we know, in the remote areas, there are still many unconnected population unable to access to the broadband network. We believe that no one should be left in this digital journey. Huawei's cost-effective wireless rural star solution can provide people with broadband access to the internet and the digital services. This bridges the digital gap and enable inclusive development. With accelerating digitalization, both government and commercial organization requires massive data processing and computing. Instead of building their own IT system, cloud migration has become the clear choice. Reports predict that by 2026, 75% of organizations will adopt cloud. That is due to the significant advantage of the cloud, including low cost, high agility, and more flexibility. That is important that African countries establish national cloud data center to provide computing resources to the government, public, and SME. This will drive the innovation ecosystem. Second, by establishing a government cloud, the government can improve operation efficiency and provide citizens with one-stop and innovative services. Huawei constantly innovates in cloud technology. I would like to talk about two innovations of power services. As we know that reliable and stable database are the key to enterprise digitalization. And Huawei's Ghost database excels in these areas. For example, it can meet the very high demand of financial industry. And Huawei's complex transaction system very well. This high performance, coupled with Huawei professional and responsive support services, make it a better choice for Africa. In addition, Huawei Cloud Arts platform can offer local developer an efficient tool, can help improve their software development capability to provide the clients with more innovative and customized solutions. AI is coming to us now. We believe that using cloud service is a simple and economic way for African countries to acquire the AI capability. As the world's fastest growing cloud service provider, Huawei Cloud is equipped with the AI big model, which is born for industry. For example, Huawei Pango AI big model can be used for weather forecasting and can complete 24-hour global weather forecast in just 1.4 seconds. This is 100 times faster than the traditional ways. It can also accurately predict a typhoon's path and landfall location in 10 seconds, while traditional will take 4 to 5 hours. These research results have been published this year in the top scientific journal Nature. In the future, I believe Huawei AI big model can be used in Africa for agriculture, disaster prevention and mitigation, improving the livelihood of the African people. Now let's discuss decarbonization. As carbon neutrality has become a global consensus, how can ICT help achieve this goal? First, the ICT industry can help reduce the global carbon emission by 20%, the same as the 10 times of its own emission. Second, digital solution can make green energy production more efficient. By integrating electronic and digital technologies together, we have developed our digital solution to address the challenges of climate change and drive the transformation to the clean energy, like Huawei Smart Solution, which can be used for scenarios like industry and commercial, household, and microgrid solar. And therefore, it can help African people gain a sustainable, affordable, and reliable power supply. A good example in South Africa is Scatec, the largest ground PV plant project in Africa. This project can provide clean energy to more than 120,000 households. Huawei's solution can improve the energy yield by over 2% and improve O&M efficiency by more than 40%. Huawei's digital solution can also help carriers to cut their carbon emission. For example, across more than 10 African countries, we have built over 6,000 green sites and help local carriers save around $40 million per year. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, we should always remember that driving force behind all innovation is people. This is why Huawei always puts digital talent cultivation at the center of ecosystem, the digital ecosystem. Over the past 5 years, Huawei has trained 100,000 digital talent in the Sub-Saharan Africa. Before 2026, we're going to train another 100,000. In addition, Huawei has always believed in localized joint innovation. We are proud to have supported the famous M-Pesa and mobile money innovation, enable more people to enjoy inclusive financial services. Ladies and gentlemen, technological progress is one of the most potent forces in history. Will naturally improve the well-being of all society. Working in the technology sector, we have a keen sense of responsibility and high motivation. To accelerate digital Africa is to create a prosperous and sustainable Africa. To this end, we are ready to work all parties to achieve this great mission. Thank you very much.